Rain follows this woman wherever she goes. What's happening to her? The unlucky woman is even woken up by rain in the middle of the night. It rains while she eats breakfast. It rains while she does her makeup. The light rain turns to a moderate rain as she takes the bus. It even rains in the elevator at work. Her co-workers avoid her. By the time she starts work, it's a downpour. Documents from colleagues are drenched. The heavy rain fries her computer hardware. The woman feels helpless. Finally, it's time to leave work. She wants a nice meal to comfort herself, but the downpour ruins her food. A server comes to check on her, but she doesn't want to trouble him, just motioning for the check. As she steps outside, it's pouring. She tosses her useless umbrella aside. This time, she's no longer the odd one out, just a normal person standing in the rain. In this moment, it's beautiful.